Hi everyone! We have a hilarious culinary adventure featuring a special guest today, my son, who gave this cupcake a unique name. Yeah, we're diving into the world of Barbie Girl cupcakes. So I make these fabulous pink gluten-free cupcakes and my son's walking. Mommy, are those Barbie Girl cupcakes? And I say, Barbie Girl cupcake? That's a new one. I asked him, why Barbie Girl cupcakes? My son said, well, they are pink, and Barbie likes pink stuff. Solid reasoning there, let's get started to bake these Barbie Girl cupcakes. Let's get ready with the ingredient. 4 egg whites, muffin pans, 4 egg yolks, 40 gram custard sugar. Step 1. Mix 76 ml milk and 56 ml canola oil. This step is to emulsify the mixture. Add in the 4 egg yolks. Mix into the mixture. Whisk the mixture until foamy. Now we want to make the magic happen. Add this natural food coloring. Since the natural coloring is not prominent, I will need to mix these few drops of red color and some drops of purple coloring until the color that I would like to have a vibrant pink mixture and whisk. Next, we would like to add 80 gram rice flour to make it gluten-free cupcakes. Mix 80 gram rice flour into the mixture and whisk with the mixture that we previously put the color in. I added on more color to make it really vibrant pink color. In the separate bowl, beat 4 egg whites until foamy. When the meringue becomes foamy, add into cream of tartar, 40 gram custard sugar, until soft peak like this. Fold in the meringue slowly and gradually into the mixture, slow and steady. Fold in the remaining meringue into the mixture. Scoop over the batter into muffin pans. You may choose to pipe the batter into the muffin pan as well on the liner. Take the muffin pan to release all the eggs. Send into the oven, bake 130 Celsius for 30 minutes. Post 30 minutes, adjust your oven to 140 Celsius for the rest of the 10 minutes. Remove from oven and cool on the cooling rack later. Look how gorgeous is the pink color, so vibrant. No wonder my son is saying that, oh look, this is a Barbie Girl cupcakes, and the bonus is it's gluten-free. Now for the finishing touch, fresh whipped creams and colorful berries wouldn't settle for anything less. Colorful? Yes, just like Barbie. Exactly, these pink cupcakes are reaching Barbie level glam. Now, the most crucial part, the taste test. If Barbie were here, she would totally go for it. My son, after tasting the cupcakes, he said, these are delicious Barbie Girl cupcakes. And I say, well, there you have it. Barbie approved cupcakes, gluten-free pink cupcakes, the perfect addition to any glam party. And he said, delicious, thumbs up. Another one, please.
Cherry, blueberry, and
I don't like this one.
you don't like cherry.
Sometimes I like this. Whoa.
Thanks for joining me on this whimsical cupcake journey. Remember, sometimes it's not just a cupcake. It's a Barbie Girl pink cupcake, gluten-free. If you enjoy this, hit that like button, subscribe for more fun, and I will catch you in the next adventure. Stay sweet!